Hola chicos y chicas, welcome back. Okay, here we go, screencast número dos. Just quick reminder, remember that these screencasts are designed to help you maintain target language in the classroom. So once again, to keep the integrity of the program rolling. So I also wanted to say that you're doing an amazing job. You're coming along really well now. And let's keep on rocking, baby. Here we go. Okay. Verbos infinitivos. Infinitive verbs. This is an easy lesson, so just sit back, relax, and presta atención. Infinitivos. So in Spanish, verbos are characterized into three separate families called infinitivos. Okay, we have verbs ending in AR and verbs ending in ER and verbs ending in ER. Okay, so real quick, before we kind of get into this, I'm just going to front load some information here for you. And if you pay attention, in the near future, when we start to actually conjugate verbs and not use them as infinitivos, things will be a lot more clear for you. So Spanish verbs are divided into two pieces. Number one, why is this happening? No. Okay, back to the lesson. Number one is what is called la raíz, or the root of the verb. And number two is what is called the ending of the verb. In this case, we're looking at infinitive endings. AR, ER, IR. A root of the verb and an ending. And that's how all Spanish verbs are composed of. So we've got verbos AR, cantar, hablar, bailar. And we've got verbos ER, comer, beber, leer. Y verbos IR, dormir, ir, which means to go, y escribir. Okay, verbos and infinitivos. Okay, so what does this mean in English? Simple. In English, the equivalent to an infinitive occurs when we have the word to in front of a verb. And in this case, to is not used as a preposition. It is just simply a word that becomes part of the infinitive verb. So, here we go. Sing becomes to sing. Read becomes to read. And sleep becomes to sleep. Cantar, leer, y dormir. So in a nutshell, then, what is an infinitive verb? And the answer to that is very simple. When you use the verb in the infinitive, you're simply stating that no subject is performing the action of that verb, meaning that nobody or no object is doing the action. A mí me gusta bailar. I'm not per se doing it, but I like to do it. A mi amigo Juan le encanta leer. He's not doing it. He's not reading right now. Nor did he read yesterday. He just simply likes to read. Or, in this case, he loves it. Y a él no le gusta mucho dormir. Okay, here you go. Here's your terminology. Verbo infinitivo. It is nothing new to you. Okay, that's going to wrap it up. Make sure you've taken some notes. Remember, you can rewind, you can fast forward, you can pause it, and you can watch it as many times as you need to. If you've got any preguntas, háblame en clase. Other than that, next time we look at verbs, we will actually be looking at the conjugation of verbs. Once again, we've got that two pieces on verbs. We've got the root, la raíz. In English, technically we call that the stem. And then we've got la terminación, the ending of the verb. Okay, chicos y chicas. Paz.